Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Honda Ruckus scooter. This thing is cool. It's got the twin lights on the front, some semi off-road tires, only 93 miles on this beautiful showroom condition Ruckus, and it comes with the storage bag underneath the seat. That's an extra accessory. Come on by, pick up this showroom condition Ruckus for just $27.99. Electric start, automatic transmission, 50 cc's, well over 100 miles per gallon. Make your scooter dreams come true. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.